Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix enable to verify app. When you try to download Scarlet app and it's showing the error like that, and I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open settings app. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you are properly connected with the internet. So let me tell you that if you're using Wi-Fi to download the app, just simply turn into mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, turn into Wi-Fi and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, tap on your Apple ID. You have to sign out the Apple ID and then sign in your Apple ID again and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, you have to close this page. Now from here guys, you have to go to screen time. From here you have to go to content and privacy restrictions. Now from here guys, you have to tap on iTunes and app purchases. Now from here guys, just simply you have to go to installing apps. From here you have to make sure that you have allowed this one. Now after check on allow, just simply you have to make sure that if it's check on don't require, then go back. Now I can go back from here guys, just simply you have to go to general section and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to iPhone storage and also make sure that you have enough storage in your device. So once you have done this, go back, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to date and time and make sure that your date and time is also correct and your time zone is also correct. Okay guys, then go back from here, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to VPN and device management and make sure that you are not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, just simply disconnect it, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then at the end guys, what you need to do is just simply have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.